I am going to go ahead and I'm going to sit this back panel on here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
All right, back to the grind. I have a Honda Civic here. Got hit in the back. It's getting a new trunk lid, and then it crushed the rear body panel right across here. Destroyed it. It's all boxed in. It's a boxed in piece here. So it's gonna get a new panel. Now first, I went ahead and I bolted the new bumper bar on here, and I'm gonna use that for leverage just to do a light floor pull and pull this out before I start cutting it apart. The reason for that is when this went in, it could have shifted other parts that it's connected to. So I want to use the damaged part to pull out to get everything else to shift back. I went ahead and just drilled a hole in the rear body panel where I want to make the pull at. Since it's getting replaced anyway, I'm not worried about it. Now I'm going to grab it right here and make a pull up high now. So I realized once I got into this that I had to drill these out because there's these side pieces that go on here and they sandwich between there. No way to fish those pieces in underneath here and behind this piece with these in there, so I went ahead and drilled these off. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to sit this back panel on here. However, I'm still waiting on those two pieces to come in before I could actually weld this together, so I'm hoping they show up here pretty soon. Alright, so I am fitting this one all together. I have all my tail lights and trim and everything on the trunk lid. I have a latch in it. It's latching and sealing good. All of my gaps on both sides are nice and even and consistent. So everything's sitting exactly where it's supposed to be now. I was debating on waiting until I have these little side pieces before I weld this in, but those really aren't going to affect anything. The rear body panel's sitting right where it's supposed to. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to weld this rear body panel in, and these pieces aren't going to be here till tomorrow. So then tomorrow I'll come back and finish the inside up and weld those inside pieces in. So that's about as far as I can get on this one until I get those other pieces. I think they're supposed to be here at like 9 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, so this will be on hold until I get those. Then I'll zap those in and finish this one up after that.